welcome back to the another video. In the previous video, we discussed about how we gonna use the Git node to hide some of the files that we don't want it to others to see. So in this video, we're going to talk about cloning a repository. Remote repository to your own local computer, so that you can use however you like. Mm, First thing I wanna ask you, or I wanted to tell you, why we clone Git repository. Here you go. Here you go. See, Git clone is primarily used to point to existing repo and make a clone or copy of the repo at the new directory at any another location. There are no users, right? So I'm gonna tell why we clone somebody else's projects, so that you can have your own copy of the program that they wrote. Maybe you wanted to customize for your own needs, or you wanted to do something, so you wanted to extend its functionalities, and you found some bug, and you wanted to fix that. So that is why we're gonna clone somebody else's what projects in the GitHub. So to clone somebody else's, what you're gonna do is we're gonna use what is called clone command, git clone and URL. This is pretty much simple. Let's clear this. See, oh. So I guess we made some mistake before. Here there will be some quick. Let's delete this. Skip. Why would I skip? Delete this. Successfully deleted, and let's go to the Visual Studio and open the terminal. So let's uh, let's clone the let's clone the game that is called uh, what's called no game QuakeJS game. This is pretty popular game. So we're gonna clone this game and run into our local host server. To do that, we're gonna clone this, and URL is gonna be the repository link, that is this one, and we're gonna do Ctrl plus V. And next thing we're gonna do is install the modules. Here you go, we get this, and install the module, npm module. To do this, first we need to change the location to it. Cd quick.js. So we're in the folder. Now we're going to install npm I. This will install the, what's called necessary modules. And after that, what we're gonna do, all gonna be available below over here. So yeah, here running locally, npm install set connect.quick has been a content server. Set content js to a content server. To do that, we're gonna copy it and paste this over there. We're not done here yet, so we're just gonna wait. Let me show you some of the resources. Here you can see there are awesome self-hosted projects here. There are a lot, so you can freely use it however you like. There are communication, email, mail, transfer agents. uh, when we go over here, you can see we're in here. We can use this, and run into our local server, and we can make it our own project by making some of the mistake not modifications. So this is a lot. This is a big software. There are a bunch of software like that you can find. There are some games as well. I hope this one's installed. Install. Next thing we're going to do is to set up the server and paste and enter. The step is done. After that, what we have to do is to uh, run the server. To do that, we're gonna copy that and paste it over there. Okay, now our server is running over here. That's what it's saying. So let's go over there by clicking here. Now you can see it's saying this site can be reached. That means the game is outdated, or you can see 8080, right? Uh, 8080. Here you go. The game is not working. Maybe because of the game is outdated. So don't worry if it isn't working. You can see we get the deprecating warning. So this isn't our mistake. So let's close this one by clicking here, and we're gonna run another game that is called. Here you go. This will explain how to clone the repository. And there are so many self-hosted applications. If you wanted to, you can make it your own. And other one is word master game, and let's make it a clone of this as well. To do that, we have already know how to do, right? Git clone and copy that, and after what we got to do is going to be mentioned below. Here you go. Run to the program. Next, change the location. That is cd word mastermind. You can also see over here where here cd to the um, cd to the word mastermind, and we're in that, and we're gonna run npm and install the npm modules. So this will do. Mm. Here we got the story of, I don't know whose story it is. This is mine. This is our previous ones, right? And we didn't find the what is called what this game is about. Mastermind, right? Mastermind. Where's the mastermind? I didn't find any mastermind. Here you go. Those are installing. Let me go over here and here's that. hmm So this one's installed successfully. The next thing we're gonna do is to we're in the Quake.js. Oh, looks like we made a big mistake. Oh my god. Uh, let's change the location. cd back. cd back. That's why I'm unable to find the location of that. Let's let's reclone that one by using git clone, and that one's I guess I got the paste over here. Oh my bad. This isn't the thing we were looking for. Let's go to the top and copy the repository link URL and paste over here. Unlike the previous one, I wish this one will work. I wish this one will work. And the next thing we're going to do is to change the location, right? CD to this master. Copy this one, paste over here, and install the modules. This one took a little longer than we expected. You can see some of the resources. The game isn't working right, and I want this one's hangs because we stopped the server. That's why. Hmm, this page is very important. You can find a self-hosted website, so make sure you noted it. Hmm, this one's installed. Let's go over here and running to server. We changed and installed. Mm, next thing we're gonna do is to uh, we're gonna run npm start. This one starts the server. Here you can see the server listening at this location. So let's open this one. Follow link. Open, and this one opens. Here you go. The game is successfully opened, and this one's available. Uh, and here you can play the game. I don't know how to play the game. There were instructions available in the documentation of the clone. Here you go. Mm, you can see how to play. So I hope you guys understand how to clone a repositories in the GitHub, remote repositories in the GitHub, and use it in our local computer. So and make it your own. And I hope this video helpful. And this one is very important. This will help to uh, understand code, read others' code, and make it our own, and understanding the code, helping the others. So in the next video, we're going to talk about branching and merging. For all and more, I'll see you there. Bye. Oh, let me show you the code. How to do? Forget to do that. Here you go. I hope this speed is on. Bye then.